Hi guys, and welcome back to another unboxing video. I feel like it's been a while since I've done any unboxing, but I did recently stop by at Gucci store in Selfridges and found an amazing bag and a twilly that I just wanted you guys to see. So yes, let's go into the video. Like you guys can see here, there's a receipt that says Selfridges. But yeah, so now we're going to be opening the box and checking out the twilly that I bought specifically for this bag. I love how the box felt like, and I love this cute mini bag that they put the twilly on. Is so pretty. They had some multiple different twilly, but I just felt like this was the best one, especially because like you guys can probably see some indication what the color of the bag might be. So yes, I just specifically wanted something right for it. And now we're gonna go into unboxing the actual bag. This is gonna be great. So yes, let's go into it. I love the new dust bag that they have. I feel like it's totally different than the previous one, which was, I felt like, was more silky. And yeah, so, and then the box was massive. But here is the beautiful bag of mine. It's the new Gucci Blondie that I bought. They have multiple different colors available in Selfridges. I did go there initially to see the orange one, but they didn't have it because it was quite limited amount that they received and quite popular color as well. So, and once I saw this one, I knew this bag was specifically made for me, and I tried it and I was sold. It's a beautiful one. It just reminded me a little bit of the Chanel vanity bag, of the shape and how the zipper are done, and then that small handle, and that's why I actually bought the twilly, so I can just put it around it, which I'm probably gonna do a separate video how I put the twilly on. So let's try and open the bag. I'm struggling a little bit here, like you guys could see, and the bag inside is massive. It feels quite a lot of things, and it had a small pocket there. It's a bit different than the vanity in Chanel, but this one with price, like it's a bargain, I would say that, compared to the Chanel vanity, and it's a beautiful as well. This is a new model that it's been a while since they launched, but probably I think it was this year launch still. So I now accidentally just saw it online when I went to their website to actually see sunglasses, and I saw the bag and I was like, yep, this is my bag. And they do have a strap that you can put it on, just so you can get it just around like a shoulder bag. So yes, and I'm testing right now how to put it on, which is quite easy, so it shouldn't cause any trouble on putting it on your own. Like you guys can see here, the mechanism is very straightforward, just click like that and that's it. So now let's put it on there, and then to the next one. And that's it. It's a very cute bag. I'm literally in love with it. So this bag is called Blondie top handle bag, and you can find it in the Gucci stores. Bye guys.